Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show step-by-step process how we can easily buy crypto in Etoro. So let's just start. What you want to do is you're gonna have like trade markets here, discover, and then you click here on crypto, and you're gonna see all the cryptocurrencies that you can buy here. Now, what you can do is to easily click on a cryptocurrency, click trade, and you have option. This is a virtual account, how much you want to buy. You click here, you see the amount here, units, and 9% of equity. You can have it by units or a month, and you can have order or trade. So order add this, like add this trade, I want to buy this amount of Bitcoin. So you can do that too, and you just simply open trade. And this is like unable to sell order only because, like, understandable, this is just tutorial and it's a virtual account. But you come here to trade markets, crypto, and you just like crypto, choose crypto which you want to buy, and like Uniswap, trade. And yep, thank you very much guys for watching, and have a great day, and goodbye. If you're gonna have any questions, just ask me down in comments. I'm really happy to help you, and yeah, see ya.